Okay, Alex, hope you're well on your side of the world. It's cold and horrid here, but summer's just round the corner, so surely it must get better soon. As promised, I said I'd do a quick walkthrough of my MT5 platforms, just the way I lay them out and why I lay them out. So give me a second and I'll fire them over. Now, this is my 5% account I look at all the time. I also have BlackBull. If I flip this on, you'll see it's exactly the same because I do trade the DAX a lot. And if you look at that lot, apart from the indices, what I'm about to show you is identical. So I'll flick it back to 5%ers because that's where we're talking about today. The way I start is this. I have an Alpha A1 watch. It's nothing flash, it's just so it puts it in an alphabetical order for me. What it is the movers and shakers that I look at on a daily basis. Cable, euro, dollar, pound JPY, Aussie dollar, and then gold and silver as a barometer of what's going on in the markets. I will start here, and it's a quick snapshot so I can see if there's anything that might interest me. Now, I trade cable every single day, so I have an extra couple of sheets added for that. So I have my A1 cable, which is where I start, and it is just a snapshot across the board of what cable is doing on a daily, 1 hour and a 15-minute. And then I can quickly just look to see if there's any correlation across the time frames. I'm also looking for correlation against other products, which is why I have these ones here, because I want to see what the pound and euro dollar are doing. Look at the US JPY and then what its effect is with gold, because they are all correlated together in one way or another. And these are the markets that I'm interested in, these two. So this is kind of a correlation sheet. What I also have, you'll see there's an alpha list here and there is a trading list down here. Right. What's the difference between these? Well, if we are looking at cable, I want to see what every single one of those pound pairs is up to. So basically, if the pound is moving in the same direction on every pair, it adds weight to my decision if I agree with that direction. Right? So again, it's a quick correlation shot to make certain the pound, it's not just a one-hit wonder somewhere. I want to see exactly what's happening with it in any place at any one time. And then what I'll do is from here, because this stays as is, I will take it down into my trading baskets, which is this. Now, if I flick that open, you'll see all of those pound pairs are here. But this is where I'll do my markups. And I'll mark and I'll analyze and I'll trade on here. So I can mess about without affecting the other baskets. And then, as you say, if I'm looking at Aussie, I have all of the Aussie pairs together. And then if I want to trade one of them, I'll drop it down and they're here. And then I just have a default, which is just scribbles, to be honest. I just mess about with this. I don't really worry about it too much. I can flick it onto the card and then just go back to Alpha Watch. And I'm good. Simple as that. So that's kind of the way that I lay it out. It's just laid out in a clean, logical way that I can quickly look at the products that I want to see and then analyze them against other products to make certain my decision is correct. I hope that makes sense to you, of sorts. Who knows? But if you're stuck, always about and always happy to chat with you. And there you go. Catch you soon.